A crossroads in network monitoring, choosing the best guardian for your business in 2025. Hello everyone, welcome to today's sharing. Imagine this scenario. At 3 a.m., the company's official website suddenly becomes inaccessible, e-commerce transactions are interrupted, and all internal team communication software goes offline. No one receives an alert until the morning when customer complaints flood in, and everyone realizes the system has been paralyzed for several hours. Where did the problem lie? Was it a network equipment failure, server overload, or a security attack? In this information blackout, we know nothing. This is the real crisis that a company lacking an effective network monitoring system may face at any time. In 2025, the Internet of Things and uninterrupted service are the most basic requirements. A good monitoring system is like a company's nervous system and immune system. It must continuously sense the pulse of every node in the network 24/7, issuing warnings and providing insights before problems affect users, helping us quickly locate and troubleshoot faults. Today, I'll guide you through an in-depth exploration of 4 monitoring solutions that will continue to play a crucial role in 2025: Microsoft SCOM, PRTG, Librenms, and Checkmk. We'll go beyond just features. We'll help you find the most suitable guardian from the perspectives of enterprise size, cost-effectiveness, and ongoing maintenance. First, a powerful option for medium to large enterprises, Microsoft SCOM. When we talk about medium to large enterprises, especially organizations that have invested heavily in the Microsoft ecosystem, Active Directory, Windows Server, SQL Server, Exchange, and Azure Cloud Services, Microsoft System Center Operations Manager, or SCOM for short, is undoubtedly a highly cost-effective strategic choice. SCOM's strength lies in its unparalleled depth of integration. Its monitoring of Microsoft products is granular, down to operating system-level performance counters, application logs, service status, and even the health of Azure cloud resources. This native support means it works out of the box, providing a comprehensive view without the need for complex add-on development. However, this power comes with a crucial but. SCOM's architecture is highly dependent on Active Directory services. Its deployment, agent management, and security authentication are all tightly bound to the Active Directory (AD) tree. This has 2 implications. First, it operates seamlessly in a pure Microsoft environment. Second, once your environment embraces diverse Linux servers, network devices, or container platforms, the subsequent integration and operational complexity increases significantly. You'll need to invest more expertise in customizing the management package. Therefore, SCOM is a heavyweight partner that requires a strong IT team and a clear Microsoft roadmap to maximize its value. For small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, a flexible starting point, PRTG Network Monitor. If your company is small or in a rapid growth phase and needs a simple, intuitive, and quick-to-use solution, then PRTG from Germany is a very attractive option. PRTG's core advantage lies in its sensor licensing model and extremely low barrier to entry. It offers a perpetual, free license for up to 100 sensors. A single sensor can monitor a single parameter of a device, such as the CPU utilization of a server or the traffic on a specific port of a switch. You can flexibly configure these 100 sensors to precisely cover your most critical dozen or so devices, enabling rapid deployment and value verification. Its user interface is very intuitive, and installation is extremely fast. You can build a basic monitoring dashboard in almost an hour. This makes PRTG a popular choice for many technical teams' first formal monitoring system. Of course, when your equipment scale exceeds the free threshold, or when you need more advanced reporting and automation functions, you'll need to switch to a paid plan. When free and open source become core requirements, Librenms and Checkmk. So, when you're looking for more powerful features and higher scalability than the free version of PRTG, while also wanting the flexibility and autonomy of open source software, your attention will naturally turn to 2-star projects, Librenms and Checkmk. 1. Librenms, community-driven automation exploration expert. Librenms is a highly comprehensive open-source monitoring platform that inherits the spirit of the early OpenNMS and is known for its modern web interface and powerful automation capabilities. Its auto-discovery function is excellent, proactively finding devices on the network and automatically loading the appropriate monitoring modules based on device type, from Cisco, Juniper, and other network devices to servers and storage devices. For teams with complex, heterogeneous network environments, this saves a significant amount of time on manual setup. It has an active community, providing abundant plugins and support. However, it requires more Linux system administration skills for installation and subsequent maintenance. 2. Checkmk, a modular enterprise option. Checkmk has a different design philosophy. It comes in open-source raw and enterprise versions, its core features being high modularity and excellent performance. Checkmk's agent design is very lightweight and efficient, capable of monitoring tens of thousands of nodes on a single server. Its configuration logic is clear, and its rule system is powerful, making it particularly suitable for environments requiring rigorous change management and large-scale deployments. For teams that have grown from PRTG and require more granular service monitoring, business views, and a more powerful alerting engine, Checkmk provides a clear evolutionary path. Its enterprise version offers official support and advanced features, making it suitable for enterprises that consider monitoring a critical infrastructure. Summary: your choice map. Let's draw a clear choice map. If you are a medium to large enterprise with a strong Microsoft technical background and team, and you seek the deepest monitoring within the Microsoft ecosystem, then Microsoft SCOM offers extremely high cost-effectiveness. However, be prepared for the subsequent management complexity that comes with its tight integration with Active Directory. If you are a small to medium-sized company or department that needs to get started quickly and easily, PRTG's 100 free sensors are the perfect starting line, allowing you to validate the value of monitoring at minimal cost. When you go beyond the limitations of the free version of PRTG, or if you've always sought the flexibility and scalability of open source, your next stop is Librenms or Checkmk. For those who prefer automated exploration and active community, and are not afraid of Linux management, Librenms is a good choice. For those who prefer clear architecture, superior performance, modular design, and may consider future paid enterprise-level support, Checkmk is a more stable option. I hope today's sharing will help you find the most suitable digital guardian for your company. Thank you.